सर्विष्टम विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी महाराज एवं समस्त वैष्णव के चरण कमलों में मेरा नमस्कार हो। प्रातःकाल में हम लोग माधवेंद्र परिवाद की कथा श्रवण कर रहे हैं। महाप्रभु अपने माधवेंद्र परिवार की कथा प्रभु जय जय माधवी कृष्ण प्रेम पूर्ण भक्ति प्रभु के नित्यानंद कर्म विचार पुरुषों भगवान जगते नहियार दुष्ट राम हरे कृष्ण जय देखा दिलो इन बार अपने भी सारे आश्रम खोल हरे मोर राम कार करी जगत जागरी तो बिना खींचरी खींच कोई मते नाम हरितो खींचरा बड़ी।
So in the morning we were hearing about Madhavendra Puripad. So we were hearing the glory about him. So in the Chaitanya Charitamrita it is said he is the spout of the love. So Madhavendra Puripad himself recite the shloka, He Dina Dayala. He Dina Dayalnath, He Mathuranath, when you will give darshan again, taking your darshan, my heart is so much excited and feeling separation. So I am so much confused. What to do now? So I told you that this shlok was recited only three peoples. First is Shrimati Radhika Rani, second is Madhavendra Puripad, and third is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami is saying, so we have never heard about the fourth one. So this kinds of feeling of separation, no one have created in their heart. Only Srimati Radhika. So in the Bhagavatam, Srimad Bhagavatam, Parikshit Goswami was Sukdev Goswami Paz was telling to Parikshit Maharaj. When Krishna went from Vrindavan to Mathura, so what kind of feeling of separation happened in the heart of Brajvasi Jan? So that was the topmost, highest mode of separation that time. So the same feeling of separation seems into the heart of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and he was distributed, and he was appeared with the same feelings in this world. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu appeared with the same feeling. So that feeling of separation was on the topmost, highest mode in the heart of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So that mode of separation, Madhavendra Puripad given to Ishwar Puripad, and Ishwar Puripad given to Mahaprabhu, and the Mahaprabhu given that bhav to all the sheltered peoples who was their Anugatya. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu given their heart feelings to Rup Goswami Pad to Raghunath Das Goswami, and so then Rup Goswami Pad, Krishna Das Kaviraj Goswami, then Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad, then Baldev Vidyabhushan Prabhu. So according to our Guru Parampara, Gaur Kishore Das Babaji Maharaj, Bhakti Siddhanta Prabhupada, then our Guru Varga, Bhakti Pragyan Keshav Goswami Maharaj, Bhakti Bhavan Goswami Maharaj, Narayan Maharaj, and all. This is called the Mathur Viraha. I told you in the morning that Mathur Viraha is when Krishna went from Vrindavan to Mathura on the sitting on the chariot of the Akrur. So after when he was in the Mathura, so there was Brajvasi was feeling so much separation in their heart. So that's why that mood of separation so that time Brajvasi was feeling so much agonized in their heart. They was feeling so much unhappiness in their heart. So that's why that is the mode of separation. So make them happy and remove this kinds of separation. Bhagwan sent to Uddhav in the Braj. So it is all things mentioned in the Uddhav Sambad Granth. Srila Sukadeva Goswami Pad is telling to Parikshit Maharaj. See, all those kinds of mode of separation katha is described by our Acharya Pad. This is called the Divya Unmad Dasha, the top highest mode of separation. There are 10 kinds of Mahabhav.
तो इसी के जो है कहा जाता है माथुर विरह, इसलिए भक्ति सिद्धांत सरस्वती पाठ देखते हैं माथुर विरह जो बात में जो वही है हमारी। So
that's why it is called the Mathur Viraha. The katha of mode of separation was described by the Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Because when we get viraha, the mode of separation in our heart, when who has realized the Sambandha Gyan. So why the Sambandha Gyan? Separation mode can be happened in the heart. Who doesn't have any? Who doesn't have the separation in their heart, they cannot. Who doesn't have the realization or Sambandha Gyan, so they cannot feel the mode of separation in their heart. So in this material we have seen that we have our many family members. We are our sons and daughters. So after that, when we are living in that, so we are feeling so much happiness. But when they died, so we feel so much mode of separation. So we feel so much unhappiness in our heart. So in the same way, when you have Sambandha Gyan, so in the transcendental world also there is a mode of separation, mode of meeting. Sometimes meeting, sometimes separation, sometimes meeting, separation. That is called love. Teasing. taunting, no?
ये कृष्ण
That when Krishna went to Mathura,
उनके लिए इस प्रकार के शब्द व्यवहार किया।
so that's why Radhika Rani is using this kinds of word.
क्या कहना है? ये तो
Gopi was saying like that, you were in the Braj, you was grazing cows. Now you have become a king of Mathura. You are Mathuradhish now, Rajadhiraj, king of king, Maharaj. Here you used to graze cow, but there you are now the king of the king. Even so Krishna here Gopi is saying that you have got married so kinds of you got marriage with so many Rajkanya, the Mahishis. So how will they come back? In the Bangla there is a kirtan, famous kirtan, Rajer Kana. This is very heart melting kirtan. So a Sakhi, so seeing the mode of separation of Srimati Radhika, so, and when she is saying when she went to Braj, so Mathura, and she is saying this kinds of words. So where is the Braj Kanai? Where is the Braj Kanai now? Is went to Dwarikapuri. In the Vrindavan, gopis are crying. So that kirtan is saying, Hey Krishna, in fact you are from Braj. You are the Prandhan of Brajvasis. So you don't want to live more, but you can be in the Braj for 2-3 days only. Say Krishna, you are from the Braj, please come to the Braj. All the Brajvasis are, so are unhappy and they're feeling pain in the separation of you. Subal Shridham, for you with yourself, without you, in the mode of separation, Sudam, Subal Shridham, all are crying. So how you can forget the Braj? Even a Chadkal in the forest, while you cannot forget that. Even for a while you cannot live without the Brajvasi. You have the Braj Prem spontaneously with the Brajvasis. How you can forget that? How you can be so cruel? How you can be so cruel? That's why Gopi is saying to Krishna. So in the Braj you were grazing the cows. Shamla Dhuli, many cows are waiting for you, seeing your path. Hey Krishna, Subal Kandi, Sridhar Kandi. And the Krishna is saying, I used to graze the cow. I had exercise that time for walking, for grazing with the cow. So in the brush there is too much dust. Because if a person lives in a place, so he has realization there that wherever he lives, he's totally experienced from there. So it means there has a lot of time. There has been a long time that I have left the brush because there is too much dust in the brush. Too much dust. That how can I go there? Then Gopi is saying there is no dust in the brush because there by the tears of Braj Gopis, so that dust is flowing like a Ganga Yamuna, because there is too much tears coming out from the Gopis. There is no dust in the brush anymore. So at that time, Krishna is saying again, I don't have too much experience now to go Braj. First I used to go behind the cows. Wherever the cow goes, I used to be there behind. I used to walk behind the cows. But today I cannot go because I don't have experience now. So I will feel so much mud in my feet if I walk there. So the Gopi said again, don't worry. In the Vrindavan, so by the tears of the Braj Gopis, Yamuna is full up now. Yamuna is too much full up now with the tears of Braj Gopis. So we will wash your feet very nicely by the tears. And Krishna saying, if it is possible, how we will cross the river if it is full up with water, the tears. Then Gopi is saying, pull. So we will make a boat by the body of Braj Gopis. And that Kirtan is saying that by the bodies of the Braj Gopis we will make a boat and then you can cross the Yamuna. This is very hard melted Kirtan. Krishna is saying because the Yamuna is full of tears, so there is no boat, so how can I cross the Yamuna? So the Gopi is saying that time, the Sakhi, hey, all the Gopis will make a boat by their bodies, and then you can cross the Yamuna. So this is very hard melted Kirtans. This is called the Mathur Viraha. So when Krishna went away from Vrindavan to Mathura, so what kinds of mode the Gopis had, that is called the Katur Viraha, Mathur Viraha, the topmost Viraha. So that's why they are praying, that Radhika ji is praying that will you give us darshan again, because we are so much feeling agonized in your that why without your darshan.
नयनामिकानो हाहाकादानो भवितास्मि भूर्विसुपूर्णे। एक शब्द भी है
one word, every word, even a single word is very beautiful. Hey Dev. There are many kinds of meanings of Dev word Dev. There are many kinds of streets, there are many kinds of ladies. You are playing with all their hearts. Seeing your beautiful form, that who will not attract towards you. This is the meaning of Dev Shabda, Divyati Kiridayati. It means topmost beautiful. For the Radhika it is saying Devi, and for Krishna it is saying Deva. In the same way, the Dev word is using for Krishna, and Krishna's Kaviraj Goswami is describing here. Who don't want you, who don't love you, everybody loves you. There is no jeev in this world that who don't have love for you. You are residing everybody's heart. Sometimes you meet, just like give an example, there is a 100 kg milk in the kadai, and then you are boiling that milk. So when this milk is boiling, after that there is so much whirlpools there. So when you will put a little bit in something inside that, so what happens? So it will rolling on that milk with the whirlpools. So in the same time, here saying that Gopi has so much separations in their heart. So this kinds of feeling, they will feel this kinds of Aishwarya in their heart when they meets you. So love, the definition of love, the love is always combined with Aishwarya. And what is love? There is separation, and the meeting is separation. So the meaning of prem is full combined with Aishwarya and Madhurya. Somewhere Krishna is worshipping like a Bhagwan. Some gopiyas are worshipping like that, Purnamasi and other. They are worshipping Krishna like Bhagwan. So by the Purnamasi and other gopis, sometimes it is seen that Krishna is Bhagwan, but they are not thinking that Krishna is Bhagwan. They are always laughing before Krishna. Krishna is always laughing. Whatever they are saying, let him there. But in the mode of separation, when somebody is separation, more feeling so much separation, so at that time Aishwarya comes and they feel so much joy in their heart. In the same time, and in the ocean there are so much waves there. So think that so much you feel so much enjoyment in your heart. In the same way, when Brajvasi is feeling separation more, when this kinds of waves comes, Aishwarya, like Aishwarya Tarang comes in the heart of Brajvasi, so they feel some enjoyment. There are many kinds of Bhav Madhurya. There are many kinds of bhav appeared in the heart, manifested in the heart. It is mentioned in the Ujjwal Neelmani Grantha. Shri Arup Goswami Pad is describing there by giving example. Whenever we hear this katha,
और कोई भी हो कि माधुर्य के माधुर्य की बात किस तरह
Ishwar Puripad ko. So that the feeling of separation, Madhavendra Puripad given to Ishwari Puripad and Ishwari Puripad given to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu given to all the devotees who belongs to him. Jeev Goswami Pad, Rup Goswami, Raghuram Das Goswami, and then more. So these all manifested the heart of all the Guru Paramparas. They distributed this, Mahaprabhu distributed this love, feelings of affection for all the Guru Paramparas. So this is the topmost where the separation feeling is in the heart of Srimati Radhika Rani. No one, the fourth one. Who recited the shloka? Srimati Radhika, then Madhavendra Puripad, and then Mahaprabhu. There is no other fourth one. I described in the morning so much that what kinds of bhavdasha happens in the heart of gopis, how we get the sattvic mode. There are 49 ingredients. When this collected, then this kinds of bhav happens in the heart. So this katha is described in the Jap Dharma Bhaktivinoda Thakur. That's why Madhavendra Puripad, he came to the Braj and he stayed in the Braj and he performed so much bhajan and sadhan there. I told you in the morning that he stayed in the Govind Kund and Sankar Sukush. So he used to live there and perform bhajan and sadhan. He was Achajak Vrati. He never asked for anything from anybody. Spontaneously somebody is giving to anyone, so he accept that. If he got, then he accepted, otherwise he was observing fast. So seeing this kinds of condition of Madhavendra, Krishna came here for milk, with the milk. So watching the beautiful form of Krishna, Madhavendra Puripad attracted towards him, that how beautiful form is this, and they asked, Madhavendra Puri asked, why did you bring the milk? Then Krishna said, he was just like a Gobalak, like a village boy, because my mother came here for filling up the water from Govind Kund. So she said that, and she saw that you are feeling so much hungry, that's why she gave me this milk. How is this Braj? In the Braj, somebody asked or not, so nobody feeling hungry. So because in the Braj, who is the donor there? Krishna, Srimati Radhika is there. She is the ultimate donor. She provides everything to anyone. So seeing this kinds of sweet words, hearing this kinds of sweet words, so what happened? That balak, that child was disappeared. When Madhavendra accepted some milk, when he drank that, so he got Ashta Sattvic Vikar in their heart, and he thought that this child is not ordinary. So chanting his name, when he was chanting and remembering the child, the same Balak, the same child came into the dream and he said, hey, my name is Gopal. I am the established by the grandson of Krishna, Bajranath. So by the Muslims, fearing Muslim, Pujari left me. So I am under the mud this time. You can take me out from there. So in the morning when Madhavendra get up, he take all the Brajvasis and he went to the Govardhan. So he saw there beautiful vigrah of Gopalji, and he established that by the Brajvasis. He did the Abhishek by the Panchamrat, as like Nand Maharaj celebrated the Annakut Mahotsav with the Brajvasis. In the same way, In the same way, Madhur Puri called all the richest people of the Brijvasis, and he celebrated Annakut Mahotsav for 1 month. Today, if you do for 1 day, so you will lose your patience. But here Madhur Puri celebrated that for 1 month, a very big celebration. So there were many big states in Mathura, very rich people in Mathura. So they celebrated for 1 month. Because he made a very nice temple there. Mahaprabhu said, Mahaprabhu saying, when you go to Vrindavan, don't stay there too much, because seeing the behavior of the Brajvasi, your heart will be, Brajvasi's behavior is so much different, so you will think different about the behaviors of the Brajvasis. So that's why if we are going to Vrindavan, so don't stay too much. And if you are going to Govardhan, then you are not seeing the Gopal. Do not touch feet on the Giriraj Govardhan. So Mahaprabhu, he was a Krishna, he didn't go on the Govardhan. Brajvasi used to go on the it is written there that people used to ask about this question. In the Barsana, there is a temple is so much highest. So people used to go because you can visit everywhere, you can see everything there. And the Giriraj Govardhan, that's why Gopalji is there. This is a Leela of Bhagwan. Anadhikari Vyakti cannot go on the top. Mahaprabhu came himself, but he didn't go up. He stayed at the Gathwadi Gaon, and Gopal came down from there, and he gave the darshan to Mahaprabhu. This is all described there. Then after that, Gopal went away from Nathwa, from here to Nathadwar. In the Mangalati darshan, there is so much enjoyment, so much pleasure. I went there. Very nice place. If you want to serve the Thakurji Seva, you can go Nathadwar. Srinathji, you must go there. The tradition of Sariva is there, so nice. I saw that, in fact. Nathadwar. If you go to Govind Dev, all the parties, there is a parties of crows shit. In the Vrindavan, if you go to Govind Dev, if you go to Vrindavan and Govind Dev Ji, you will see there is a crow shit is there. If you go and stay some time, then people can visit there. They will offer some donation there, do some study there. And if you are going, the temple is closed, so who will go there? There is no one who can clean that temple. In the Vrindavan, I have seen so much big temples. I have seen the condition of that. Govind, Gopinath, Madan Mohan. These are three of the famous temple. Govind, Gopinath, Madan Mohan. But today these, so there are too much established by the Sanatana Goswami path, because there is no trend of service there, mode of service tendency there. That's why Krishna left their Braj, and that's why they are out of the Braj, because Bhagavan is spontaneously. If you go to Govind Dev Ji, how nicely serving there. In Jaipur, thousands people used to go for daily darshan. That is a very nice seva there. This is the tendency of service there. Yeah, if you go to Mangla Aarti, it's too full of people. They were full of devotees there in the Govind Devji. This is our Thakur, but still he is out of the Braj. There are three Gaudiyas Thakur, Govind, Gopinath, Madan Mohan. Madan Mohan is Karoli. He is in Karoli. Have you been Karoli? Have you take darshan? Ah, beautiful that. This is the service of tendency is very nice there. Because Swamiji want to accept the service. Who will service properly, serve properly, he will accept from there. Bhagwan always take the service. How you are serving. If you won't serve, then how it's okay. That's why Thakurji went out from here. So the Madhavendra Pad. So I will go speak 5 minutes and I will hand it over to Maharajji. So after that Thakurji said himself, when Madhavendra Pad will come and serve me. Even Thakurji himself, he took the service from Madhavendra Pad. So he said that I am too much time inside the mud, so I am feeling there is so much hotness in my body. So do some camphor and malai chandan and paste on my body. Then Madhavendra Pad, for the serving of Thakurji, he went away from there because that time train was nothing. He went away by foot. And he went to Kirchor Gopinath and take the darshan here. You know all the stories many times. So I'm just saying the outline. So after taking the darshan of Thakurji, he was so much feeling pleasure. He take the darshan. Gopinath, have you take the darshan of Gopinath? When you go to Govinda Gopi, so we take the darshan of Gopinath. How beautiful Thakurji is that? Madhavendra Pad took the darshan and he did the Nitya Geet. When he was coming back, so Pujari feels so much fragrance there. There are 12 times of Amrit ke liye bhog for Thakurji. Madhavendra was thinking in his mind that maybe if I get a little bit of Thakurji, then I will went away for my place to Govardhan and I will serve there to Thakurji. So what Thakurji did that time by the Yog Maya, so what Thakurji did, Thakurji hid one matki and behind himself when Thakurji closed the doors. So Madhavendra was sitting there at that market and he was doing the chanting there. So at the midnight 12 or 1 a.m. so and Pujari and the Thakurji gave the dream to the Pujari. Hey Pujari, get up! I have hiding one matki for my devotee, so you have to give it to my devotee. So what Pujari did? He got up, and after taking bath, and he went to Thakurji, and he saw, oh yes, there was a matki, Amrit Keli behind the Thakurji's vigrah. And he was saying, crying, he was calling on the night, who is Madhavendra Pad? For him, the Gopinath has steal the Hira, sweet rice. So Madhavendra Pad very humbly said that my name is Madhavendra Pad. Then he gave that matki to Madhavendra Pad, and that when he eats, so it is very nice, delicious sweet rice. And he accepted. So that time Thakurji name became Kirchora Gopinath. And Madhavendra Pad thinking, so in the morning people will think about me, I will got the prestige that Thakurji has stole the kheer for someone. He is not an ordinary person. He must be the great devotee of Bhagwan. So that's why I will get the prestige. So that's why in the night he left that place.
प्रतिष्ठा हुए माधव जाय पलाइया प्रतिष्ठा पीछे तार जाय पलाइया तो माधवेंद्र परिवार स्थान को
So Madhavendra Prabhupada left that place.
और फिर माधवेंद्र
Then Madhavendra Prabhupada he went to Odisha, Jagannath, and take the darshan of Jagannath and all.
एक उधर से जो है
Then from there
अपने मूल्यवान
he took the valuable, the precious thing, the Malai Chandan. From there the sandal. So in the middle he saw so many Muslim kings who used to take out, who used to snatch the valuable things of Hindus. When he was crossing the way, so they was asking for tax there. So what Raja did? So the king sent his soldiers, and Madhavendra Puri was taking the. So when he again entered into the Kirchur Gopinath, and then Thakurji himself giving the darshan and asked Gopinath, "Hey, I am the same Gopinath, so you can put that sandalwood on me, on my body." So Mathura Vrindavan is so far. How many Muslim peoples will meet you in the way, so you can snatch everything from you. So you can do one thing: you can put that sandal paste on my body. So it's spontaneously you will serve your Thakurji. So quoting this dream, Madhavendra Prabhupada put that sandalwood on the body of the Vigraha of Thakurji. So we have put it so much sandalwood. Here we have also put the sandal on the body of our Thakurji. It has been 10 days now. So Nitya Pratyay in the Kirchur Gopinath, Nitya daily every day the Pujari used to put sandalwood on Thakurji's Vigraha. So even today in many temples every day sandalwood used to put, not only one day. So our Pujari did one day. It took so much time. And many people served there. They made the paste of sandals. But it is described in the Kirchur Gopinath every day the sandal paste used to put on the Vigraha of Thakurji. So that time so much hot there. Madhavendra Prabhupada is a very lovable devotee of Bhagwan. That's why. So whatever, when he brought the Malai Chandan for him, so he accepted that. That's why when the Bhatni Ratna Granth, it's all, everything is mentioned there. Every day, Gopinath, the sandal paste used to put on the Vigraha of Gopinath. And after that, Madhavendra Puripad visited many temples, many tirthas, and then Madhavendra Puripad, he went. There is a Samadhi Sthal also there in the Gopinath Sthal. Samadhi Sthal. So he took the Samadhi in Yamuna. Very nice temple is there. So many people used to go and worship there. It is said that he stayed there for 1 month. Then he went before, he was visiting everywhere. In the Bhatni Ratna, only this is described. I can't say anything on my mind. Whatever the Shastra is saying, I can only say that. The Bhakti Rakargata is describing there. He stayed only for 1 month there. He did. He put the paste on the body of the body of the Thakurji Gopinath, and after that he traveled all over the world, all over the India. It is described there. He also came into the Navdeep Dham, and then so it is described there. And but there is no prasang of meeting of Mahaprabhu. He also met with Sachima. That Madhavendra Puripad met with Mahaprabhu. It was not describing there. He met to Sachimata there. It is Bhakti Ratnakar Granth. It is described very nicely. So many Granths, many kinds of in the Bhakti Ratnakar Granth. It is described. So what I am telling you. Then Nityanand Prabhu. He met with Nityanand Prabhu. Then he went to Ek Chakragram, Hadai Pandit house to as a guest. Then he took many places and take the darshan. And after that, Nityanand Prabhu, he traveled all over the world. He took the initiation from Lakshmipati Tirth. Somebody is saying that Nityanand Prabhu took the initiation from Madhuri Pad, and some are saying that he took the initiation of Lakshmipati Tirtha. It's called not so hard. He recited the shloka, Madhavendra Puripad, and he left his transcendental body and left. He went to transcendental abode. This is the speciality of Madhavendra Puripad. So it's today the appearance day. Who is Narottam Acharya Srinivas Prabhu? Srinivas Tirobhav. Tirobhav है आज. Tirobhav. Srinivas Acharya Tirobhav. He is a disciple Swadham Dhanne Shishya Ramchandra Das. Srinivas Acharya. He took the initiation from Gopal Bhatt Goswami. Narottam Shyamanand Srinivas, Narottam Das Samakor, Loknath Goswami, Shyamanand Prabhu, Hriday Chaitanya Si, and Srinivas Acharya, Gopal Bhatt Goswami. They took the initiations, and the three of them came to Jeev Goswami Pad and take the education lessons. And after taking the initiation from Jeev Goswami Pad, they served to preach all over the world, in the Bengal and many places. Then Narottam Das Thakur, he went to Manipur and he preached there. Shyamanand Prabhu went to Asia, and Srinivas Acharya, he stayed some time there and he did so much Bhagavatam part. So this is the Divyaratna. In fact, what happened? Bir Hambir, he took the initiation from Srinivas Acharya. This is all described. Narottam Srinivas Shyamanand Acharya. And I told you about the Ramachandra. Narottam Das Thakur always Narottam Das. Narottam always pray for the association of Ramchandra Kaviraj. Narottam Das. Narottam Das always wants the company of the Ramchandra Das. Very, very beautifully described there. And today is the Avirvav of Srinivas. He stayed in the Samadhi for 4 days. Everybody saying that he have left the body. And then Narottam Das Thakur is saying, oh, no, call his disciple Ramchandra. When Ramchandra Kaviraj came, he is the Samadhi. He saw that he is the Samadhi. Please don't touch the body of my Gurudev. His Gurudev and Ramchandra Kaviraj is seated there, and he went to the Samadhi stage, and he went to the Aparadhi Golok Vrindavan. What is so? Radhaji is taking bath in the Yamuna Ji. Srinath saw his Gurudev, Gopal Bhatta Goswami. He saw his Gurudev, Gopal Bhatta Goswami. He recognized his Gurudev. Luna Manjari is his name. He used to tell to Gurudev, everybody is agonized there. Man. So there is a nose trail or nose rings has fall down, and every Sakhi was saying, at the time Ramchandra Kaviraj, he went to the Siddhide and he got that. I am not understanding. Narottam Das. He was giving the Upadhi of Kaviraj. Many beautiful stories are there. How Ramchand left everything and he went to the Srinivas Acharya's feet, and how he was surrendered. Very, very nice stories there. In the Bhatni Ratnagar Granth, very, very nicely described, everything is there. Many kathas are there. Parmeshwari's katha is also there. God Premanand Hari Hari Bol.